Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is San Fauzi, and in today's video, I want to show you guys. I want to review something that I always made at my spare time, as well known as my hobby, and I really love my hobby is painting. I really love painting, and in this video, I want to show you guys. I want to review one of my painting. It's not really good, but I only have this right now. Uh, my other painting is at my home. This is not my home, so I'm going to show you. This is my painting. If you see, I name this as abstract. Like I haven't named it, so this is about like an abstract city. Like if you look closer, you didn't see what it is. Like you didn't see what like what exactly this is look like. But after you see it from far, so I made this about maybe one day. I usually make painting. If I made painting that really big, I usually will spend like 1 or 3 weeks to make that. But this one is kind of pretty easy, so I just spend one day to make this. And in here, if you see from far, from distance, you can see there's like a kind of um, city. If you see um, there's a building, one building, two building, and also like the far away from this distance. And I also want to make it uh, a reflection from it. This is the reflection, like the city that has a really wet road that make the buildings really beautiful because of of the the shadow in of the reflection in the wet road, as you can see. So this is my paint. It's actually pretty messed up in this one. I don't know. I saw when I was made this painting, it was really it was failed. I make the city looks really has like no structure, no meaning. Like we didn't even see that it's city. It's just like a bunch of abstract painting in it. So I made this for one day. I want to give it to my cousin. In this thing, we still actually did it, this didn't I didn't even finish this all. It's just like maybe 90% or something. And yeah, in here I choose like how this is doing, like 20 centimeters canvas. It's not marsupial, it's just like a polyester canvas. I use that, and after that I put the how. So I will explain you how do I make this. So first of all, I make the, if you see in here, this is the base color that I spread it all of the canvas. I I paint the canvas with the base color, so all of this, first of all, it was this color. I don't know what the meaning. It's like kind of navy blue with kind of gray. And after that, I also wait. How do I? Oh, okay. So, oh no, maybe kind of this. As you can see, I want to add some structure, like this texture. If you can see, there's so many texture in it. It's so what it is called, I don't know, like texture you always see in painting. As you can see, I usually paint with like a flawless finish, but in this one, because I want to give it to my cousin, which is I want to make it really cool, so I had some kind of structure of texture. If you can see, there's a bunch of like, you know, that. And we continue. How do I made it? So after I do it with the base color, and next um I add some like shape, like an abstract shape with, like, city kind of vibes of city, with a rectangle, or maybe like trapezium, or maybe, yeah, like the shape, like the first base of city. After that, I ate I add a color that makes like a color. If you can see, there's some, like, I use really bright color, like so contrast. And but first of all, I didn't put this. I put, like, if you can see, there's like really, the opacity is lower, so I make it like the lighter, not really contrast, but you know. And so after I ate the first shape of the city, I ate this color, like this, like the like a shadow of light that is not really contrast, so I ate it overall. And you have to make sure that you add a very similar position to the reflection. So the reflection here, I put it like a black line in here, so you can see this is the reflection. And after that, you see that this is the light, right? And you have to put it on this, but you make it kinda different. Don't make it really similar, but make it like kinda different. If you can see that this is really abstract, but this one is really more abstracted than this, right? Because this is the real city, this is the reflection, so we have to make it kind of like different, not really similar, but you have to make it similar, you know what I mean. And after I put this blah blah blah, and you can see it's really abstract in here, just like a bunch of. And after that, I put a really contrast lightning, like as I was saying, that is, you can see this is the blue that is really bright, really contrast. And after that, in the reflection, I put it on the same shape, but I make it kind of different, like kind of broke, and I also make like the red one. You have to make this like in many color, so it wouldn't be really like lonely, like a dead city. No, in here I add some red. As you can see, there's some red, and after that I put it in here in the reflection. The reflection is kinda, as you can see, it's kinda different, it's kinda broke. You can see in here again, I put like a blue color to make it contrast. And after that, in the reflection, I put it really long, that make a visual that people see this as a far lightning, because it's long. So I see the long one as like that is really has some like distance in it. And yeah, that's how I made this painting. It took me one day, and I'm so proud of it, even though it's not really good, but I will make it, I will improve it, I will add some more details after this. So maybe that's all for my review video. After this, I want to review about my paint tool. And yeah, I want to thank you guys, thank you so much for listening and watching me yapping about my my painting, just like a similar painting that I always do. So thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.